Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my intraday uh, the alert, so how it is working today. So that I'm going to discuss in this video. Again, many questions about the strategy. So that is why I'm making a new video again and again for this one. So it is this alert which I'm sending you on free of cost to the Telegram of my candlesticks pattern trader group. So there you will be getting the alert about that RSI based on scanner. So how we can effectively do the trading, that I'm going to discuss here. And if you are new to my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update. So today we have alerted a lot of stocks in our Telegram channel. Can you able to see that at 12:30 we have Deepak Nitrate and 12:45 IDFC. Like that we got a lot of stocks which is present from today from 10:15 a.m. So we got the stock IPCA lab. So these are the starting of the day. So where we are using the scanner. So based on the scanner we are going to make a trade. So that it will help you to make such a great trade. So this is the alert which I am sending you on my Telegram. So this is the alert name, option intraday, option breakout, in a call option as well as put option, right? So here what I'm going to do, I am sending you the alert based on the stock which you are going to try to take a trade by 15 minutes time frame. So that is the alert which I have triggered. So the first alert which I got at UPL. So today at 10:15 a.m. UPL should be the first stock which we got around 10:15. So the same which we have got it at 10:15 a.m. So this is the candle. So the first thing, whenever you get the alert, so let me try that. UPL is the first stock. We got a 10:15. So where it is a 10:15. So this candle should be the 10:15 candle. So right. So 813.4 and 807.5 is the lowest price of the particular time frame. Right. It's a 10:15 to 10:30. So this alert you will be getting earlier of the starting of the candle. So you need to wait for this candle to close. Then you are going to take a entry breakout, whether it is breaks above the highest level of the candle or whether it is breaks below the lowest level of the candle. Once it is broken the high level of the candle, we are going to try with the buying trade. So once it is broken below the low of the candle, we are going to make a selling trade. So that is what the simple, where if you get that, you can trade with the options also. At this particular time we got a 807.5 is the low. So 10:15 we have sent you alert. So you need to track that stock for a next 15 minutes. It should close. So this candle is closed by 813 and 807. So if you take the trade by this candle, 813 and 807 is the range where you are going to take a trade. So somewhere around 6 rupees risk in this trade. If you are taking a breakout about buy, or if you are selling breakout, say breakdown at sell, so both it takes a 6 rupees risk. If you want to trade a future, you can buy a future with a stop loss of 6 rupees, and at least you should try to take with a 1:1 risk reward ratio. So this is what breakout happened, that gives you buy entry initially. So the buy entry triggers, so you should keep the stop loss until end of the day. The stop loss is not triggered, and target, so you need to make another 6 rupees target, that comes under 819 to 820. This trade triggers your target, right? And if you want to take a trade in options, so what should be the price? It is around 820. So if I'm going to take a 820 call option, once it is broken, so once the future get the stop loss, you need to exit from your trade. So let me try it out. What happened? 820 call option, UPL 820 call. So we need to take that as a 10:15 to 10:30 candle. So where it is 10:15 to 10:30, maybe this, yeah, this particular candle we got it for the trade. This is the candle where we are going to get. 20 is the highest price and 16.4 is the lowest price. So if you are ready to take an option trade, so whenever the option breaks above 20, you are going to take a trade, and 16, what exactly stop loss for the traders? 16.45. So you need to take a trade by 20, and the stop loss for the trade is 16.45 or even 16.5. So you have the risk for the trade is somewhere around 3.5. 3.5 is the risk. So whenever you got at 3.5 rupees, you may be exit with the trade. So it reaches more than 25.9. So it triggers your target, and you may be getting such a good profit on this particular stock. Right, like this, we can either trade with options or either trade with futures. It is depend on you. So whether you are going to trade in a future or option, it's depend on you. You can try to trade with that. So the selection on this particular candle should be very important, right? And the second stock, what are the stocks which we got it, and another one on the basis of put option breakout, we got IPCA Lab at 10 o'clock. So this is for a put option breakout. Both we are going to make a breakout kind of trade. So I think this was happening by the split. So that's why 1 is to 1, 2 is 2 by 1 split. So that's why the stock from previous close of 2100, it coming down towards the 1000. So it may not good for the trade because it is already in split. So the option premium may changes compared to previous close. So I ignore that one. So then we can see for that call option how many stocks which is generated, and chamber fertilizer and TCS at 11 o'clock. So we can go for a chamber fertilizer at 11 o'clock, maybe this one is a 11 o'clock candle. So 11 o'clock to 11:15 should be the entry. The risk for the trade is 432 to 435, 34 and 32. 2 rupees is the risk. If the stock having good volume in options, you can trade with option, or else you can go for a future. So this one triggers your sell entry initially, and it is coming down to 429. So almost 3 rupees given. So simple 1:1 risk reward ratio, you got it from the trade. And then TCS on the same time, which is happening. Let's try with the TCS what happened here. TCS at 11 o'clock. This one is 11 o'clock candle. So let me try what is the risk reward for that trade. So we have 385, 10 rupees. It gives you initial sell entry, and it is coming down to 3,875. Almost 10 rupees it triggers by the next candle itself, and then it triggers your stop loss, and finally it is not moving over and above this level. So 85, 95.2 here, 95. So just 20 paisa triggers, but initially once the trade is triggered, you got a profit of 10 rupees also. So that is the thing on the stock of TCS. And then Deepak Nitrite, IDFC, Maruti are the stock. Deepak Nitrite at 12:30, Maruti at 12:45. Let me try Deepak Nitrite. Deepak Nitrite at 12:30. This candle is 12:30. So what happened in Deepak Nitrite? Initially it triggers your sell entry and not moving well, and then it triggers your stop loss, and then it went up. So this trade give you the stop loss somewhere around 13 points. It's the risk that is triggers on that particular stock of Deepak Nitrite. And then IDFC and Maruti. IDFC is the very low value stock. IDFC, the time frame of IDFC, which is around 12:30, sorry, 12:45. So IDFC 12:45 candle should be this, and this is what triggers by 63.7, and it went up to 64.7, 1 rupee. It is a huge lot, so not recommend to take a trade in intraday. And the second one is Maruti. Let's try to Maruti at 12:45. This is what 10:45, maybe 11:40, 12:30, 12:45. This is the Maruti 12:45 candle. So what is the risk for the trade? Very minimum risk. So 185, 172. Almost 18 point risk, and then it triggers your target somewhere 88,077. It gives you more profit, more than your risk. Then after that, OB Realty, Tata Motors, a lot of stock is coming into the scanner. But if you are focusing for intraday, if you are first off before 1 o'clock or 1:30, you can go for that. So let me try with OB Realty and Tata Motor. OB Realty, that is happening by somewhere around exactly 1 p.m. Okay, so 1 p.m. should be this. and it broke OB reality. It broke the high of 938, went up to 943. What is the risk for the trade? 938 to 932. So 6 rupees risk, and then it went up to 943.7 from 938. So 5 rupees is generated, and it not giving you profit as a target, but it is ending with the profit. And Tata Motors at exactly 1 o'clock here, that is 504 and 503.6, just 1 rupee. 1.2 is a stop loss and target for the trade. So once it is broken that level, lower level, so we may be 503.6. So the low which made 501. So again it is giving you more than 2 rupees. So the accuracy of this system is near about 70 to 80%. So the alert which I am sending on my Telegram channel, you can make use of it. So based on that, you can try with the option trade also. But if the stock doesn't have a liquid, so you may ignore the stock. But if the stock having liquid and good volume in options, you can try with the option trade also. Whenever it breaks below the level or breaks above the level. So I hope you may be getting some profit by using the scanners. So that I have already shared on that real-time alert on my Telegram channel. Hope it may be useful to you everyone. And thanks for being with me, and thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel as well as my Telegram channel. So that's about this video, and how to use whether you are going to use for a futures trading or equity trading or option trading. So everything, anyone we can use as per your risk and reward ability. So that's about this thing, and thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much. If you are like this video, hit the like button, and if you liked it, you can share to your friends. And if you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. I will read your comments, and I'll give you the answer for your comments. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.